In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. We're going to do this using a feature in Gmail called filters. Filters let you tell Gmail, when a message looks like this, do this with it. That might mean skipping the inbox, applying a label, or sending it straight into a specific folder so you don't have to organize everything manually. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want this to work. Everything we'll do happens right inside Gmail. You don't need any extra apps or extensions. At the top, you'll see the search bar that you normally use to look for emails. On the right-hand side of that search bar, there's a small icon that looks like 3 slider lines or a funnel. Click that to open the advanced search options. This is where we'll define which emails should be caught by your filter. You can choose to filter by who the email is from, who it's sent to, the subject line, or words contained in the email. For example, if you want all messages from a specific newsletter or service to go into their own folder, type that sender's email address into the From field. You can also combine options, like a specific subject and a specific sender, to really narrow things down. Once you've entered your conditions, look at the bottom right of that search box and click Create Filter. Gmail will now ask what you want to do with any email that matches those conditions. To automatically move messages to a folder, you'll use labels. In Gmail, labels act like folders, and you can nest them or keep them separate. Check the box that says Apply the label. Then either choose an existing label or click New Label to create a fresh one. Give your label a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like receipts or newsletters. If you don't want these emails to clutter your main inbox, you can also check Skip the Inbox. Archive it. That way, new messages that match your filter will go straight into that label, ready for you whenever you need them, without crowding your primary view. Before you finalize, there's an option at the bottom that lets you apply this filter to matching conversations that are already in your inbox. If you want to tidy up old messages too, check that box. Finally, click Create Filter to save everything. From now on, any new email that matches your rules will automatically be labeled and moved, helping keep your Gmail organized and easier to manage.